Hello, nursing staff and students. I am Cassandra Iffy, librarian on the Tupelo campus. Today, I am preparing a video on PrepStep Basics. I'm going to give you a few tips and strategies on how to access PrepStep. The first thing you need to do is go to ICC's homepage at iccms.edu. Once you're on the school's homepage, you go to Home, you scroll to Learning Resource Center. Once you click on Learning Resource Center, you will see the library's main page. Once you're on the library's main page, you need to scroll down about middle ways from the bottom, and you will see Health Science Databases. Right under Health Science Databases, PrepStep is going to be your first option. So we're going to click on PrepStep. The first thing you need to do once you are on PrepStep's page, if you haven't done so, is to create a login. Once you create a login, you'll be able to access the various tests and video tutorials that the database has to offer. I want to start with showing you some of the video guides that PrepStep has available. If you have trouble registering as a new user, PrepStep has a short video on registering as a new user. PrepStep also includes videos on how to take tests, searching for resources, and how to take a tutorial. You'll also find a video on how to download and use an ebook. The how to take a test tutorial will probably be very useful to some students because some students get test anxiety. So this tutorial will be a very good tutorial to point out to students that's available for them in PrepStep. Once you have created your login, you're able to take advantage of all of the resources in the database. I'm going to log in with my logon just to show you how the interface looks. PrepStep allows you to store and keep track of the tests that you take. You can store the tests that you take or the tests that you start in your My Center. My Center keeps track of the date that you took a test. It keeps track of the status, whether you have completed a test, or it gives you the number that you left off if you were not able to complete the test and need to come back to the test. You are allowed to come back and finish taking tests. It gives your score. And also, PrepStep gives recommendations for a future study plan, or it gives you recommendations on how to proceed in studying for whatever test you're trying to take. There's a recommendation key in your My Center. The suggestions are to develop, improve, and practice. And as you can see, because I ran through the test just so I can show you how it looks in My Center, but it recommended that I need to develop, and the develop key is a little exclamation point with the orange background. PrepStep may suggest that you need to improve or practice, and you have information on what those recommendations mean in this little key here. So your My Center will store all the tests that you take or all the tests that you're in the process of taking. The easiest way to find a test is to go to the search box and type in the test. So we're going to type in NCLEX. Type NCLEX. We get various tests. PrepStep offers 3 practice exams for the NCLEX. We're going to click on the NCLEX practice exam 1 for the RN exam. Once you click on it, you will get an overview of the test, and also PrepStep gives you suggestions about taking the test, sort of like best practices. You also can take the test in various modes. You can take the test in learner mode, practice mode, and these let you answer the questions as you go, and then you will get the solutions to the question so that you're kind of learning as you're going. The simulation mode is an actual testing type situation. So students are able to choose a test mode, whether it's simulation, practice, or learner, in order to start the test. I'm not going to start the test because we'll go into actual test mode. You will be able to see the number of questions and the minutes needed to take the test. Also, again, PrepStep offers about 3 practice exams. Students also have access to a power practice for the RN test. The power practice provides 2 full-length practice exams with the detailed answer and explanations. So students now have to go to Amazon or Barnes & Noble to purchase the they can download the booklet on their laptops and have access to these booklets just by logging on to PrepStep, and it's free of charge. And as you can see, it's a 172-page power practice exam booklet that they have access to, and they're not going to have to purchase. It even comes equipped with exam question pages, like the little Scantron pages. I was trying to get to those pages, but they may be a bit further down. Another useful, extremely useful resource that PrepStep offers students is the Flash Review. And the Flash Review is vocabulary and terms that students are going to have to cover on the exam. The Flash Review features more than 600 terms and concepts that are commonly tested on the RN exam. So students, again, they don't have to go to Barnes & Noble or Amazon to purchase this material. They can have free access to it simply by logging in to PrepStep. Again, here is the Flash Review, and as you can see, it covers terms and concepts that are relevant to the nursing field. About 600 terms and concepts that are relevant to the nursing field. Also, I would like to point out that on reserve in the library is also, we have the Flash Review cards that they have in the booklet. So students can come to the library and go to the study rooms and have access to the flash review cards if they prefer to have them in hand. They cannot check them out. You have to use them in the library. But for students who do not like downloading things, they can come to the library and request the flash review cards. That is all I have. If you have any questions about accessing PrepStep, or if you need me to come to your class and give a more detailed tutorial, I will be happy to do so. My extension is 5090. You have a wonderful day.